I'm sure you've heard the news. Children getting sick after taking cough syrup. But did you know 9 have died? The truth is even more disturbing. In Madhya Pradesh, a cough syrup called Coldriff, meant to help, turned deadly. Lab tests found it was tainted with a toxic industrial chemical called diethylene glycol. Despite earlier warnings, the syrup was prescribed to kids under 4. Authorities have now banned Coldriff and arrested those involved. Please never give medicine to children without a doctor's advice. Stay safe and stay informed.